Hello, second graders. I wanted to send you a video to go along with your fraction pizzas. I tried doing it on just my phone and it wouldn't work, so I thought I would do a YouTube video. I have one whole pizza. You are going to create fraction pizzas. You can use a paper plate or find some paper and use the regular plate to cut out a circle. Use regular paper. This is cardstock. Use a cereal box. Whatever you can find to use to make circles. You need at least 6 circles. So your first pizza again is one whole pizza. And you see I made my pepperoni and the yellow is my cheese on here with construction paper. But if you don't have construction paper, that's okay. You could use newspaper, magazines. Be creative with making your pizza. But you do need to label it one whole pizza. That is your first pizza to make. Your second pizza to make is 1/2 a pizza. Take one circle, one pizza circle, fold it in half, fold it on the line just like this, cut it down the line. Label it 1/2 on one side and 1/2 on the other side. The whole is divided into 2 equal parts, or the whole is partitioned into 2 equal parts. That's the denominator, the number up below. And let's say Hanako comes along, says, Mrs. Carter, I want a piece of pizza. She's going to get one of those 2 pieces, 1/2, and I'm going to get one of those 2 pieces, 1/2. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals one whole pizza. Your next piece of pizza will be 1/3 pieces of pizza. You are going to divide into 3 equal parts, or partition to 3 equal parts. 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. The 3 in the denominator stands for 3. The whole is divided into 3 equal parts, or partition 3 equal parts. And then Corbin, of course, comes along and says, but I want a piece of pizza. Corbin gets 1/3. I get 1/3, and Hanako gets 1/3 piece of pizza. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals one whole piece of pizza. You're probably saying, well, how do I make a 1/3 piece of pizza? Take your whole again, fold it in half. Then when you have your half line across here, you're going to make a big Y up. Big Y up. So you'll have a line down and a big Y up, and that'll make your pizza into 3 pieces. Again, you can use crayons or whatever you want to decorate your pieces of pizza. My main concern is that you label each piece 1/3. Your next piece of pizza, you'll divide the whole into 4 equal parts. Here's half a pizza. So 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1/2, equivalent fractions. And then we do the same. This is going to be hard for me. At the top. So the whole is divided into 4 equal parts, or partitioned into 4 parts. That's the denominator. Okay, here comes Lala, and here comes Lala teacher, and they're wanting a piece of pizza too. They each get 1/4. I get a 1/4. And Nako gets a 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 4/4, one whole, or 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1/2 a piece of pizza. Label them each 1/4. You'll have 4 pieces of pizza. Your next piece of pizzas you'll be doing, your next circle will be 6. You're going to divide the whole into 6 equal parts, or partition the whole into 6 equal parts. That is where you're going to fold your paper in half. And then you're going to put a triangle up here at the top. So you have 3 parts on the top and 3 parts on the bottom. Let me see if I can match this up so you can see the half. So 1/6 plus 1/6 don't know if these are 1/6 equals 1/2. 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 1/2. So you have 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Just little triangle shapes that you will do. Again, label them each 1/6, 6 equal parts. Your last piece that you're going to do is you're going to divide your last circle, your 6th circle, into 8s. 8 equal parts are partitioned 8 equal holes. Take your whole sheet, fold it in half, fold it in half again. That makes it to 1/4. And fold it one more time. So you have a little triangle here. I open it up and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. The whole is divided into 8 equal parts, or partitioned in 8 equal parts. Once you have this finished, I took little baggies and labeled 1/2, 1/3 to keep them in separately. But if you go to Donato's or get pizza from someplace, you can get a box to keep it in, and I labeled it fractions activity and put mine in a Donato's box to store. Now, with your parents or a siblings at home, you can play the fraction game. Start putting them and see if you can find equivalent fractions with them. Explain them to a sibling. Play different games with your fraction pizzas. Have a lot of fun making your fraction pizzas.